Hi, I'm Karthik R. I'm currently working as a technical operational associate at Dotwell Technologies Private Limited, and I recently completed the all-in-one UI/UX bootcamp from the GUVI. I always had an interest on UI/UX design, and I wanted to improve my knowledge and the skills in a structured way. That's why I decided to take up the UI/UX from the GUVI's bootcamp. Since I'm a working professional, it was challenging for me both work and study, but I made most of the evenings and weekends to study consistently and stay on the track. The bootcamp was well organized and I learned UI/UX fundamentals from top to bottom, and the hands-on tools like Figma, user research, Framer, Webflow, and prototypes. The real-world projects helped me understand how to apply concepts practically. After completing the course, I have designed the multiple portfolios and I have more confidence in design thinking and user-centric approaches. I'm really thankful to the mentors and the GUVI team. If you are a working professional like me to build a career in the UI/UX, this course is a great choice. Just to stay consistent and make sure your evenings and weekends it's really worth it.